Here's one that's right in your wheelhouse. Alienware's latest gaming laptops can now be configured with Cherry MX switches.
Oh, I was reading on this.
An optional $150 upgrade.
So this I'm very interested in. All the gaming laptops I've seen that have used mechanical keyboards have been...
Oh, no. I had some recent ones from Gigabyte that were actually
Those ones
good.
are better.
Yeah.
I forget which switches those ones are. The ones on the Gigabytes. Those are better.
The latest one.
Yeah.
The Razer stuff and...
Right.
Yeah. I've tried.
Right.
At least you have some key travel here.
Right. But this one, the Alienware, I think this is brand new. I think Cherry made something. Yeah. So if you look at I don't know if they have a picture of it. If you scroll down there, Will, but there's like that thing. So the idea being that you get a way like deeper travel on it with an actuation point that feels like a real mechanical, supposedly. And so I read into this. They were like, I think, if I'm not mistaken, they spent 3 years of engineering time on this thing. Like they scrapped it a bunch of times, and so we'll see.
Wow, it's amazing the persistence of the mechanical key switch.
There's something about it, though, right? There's something about it's because on the desktop world, mechanical keyboards are nice.
Dude, I'm with you. I just think it's interesting the old-fashioned technologies that we decide we have to hang on to,
right?
Because there's been Razer has made a big pitch with the optical stuff, and obviously there's tremendous number of just membrane, low-profile laptop keyboards that are out there, and some people are fine with them.
Yeah.
It's just I don't know how much the average person cares about the keyboard, because I'm always hearing videos being like caring about the keyboard more than other elements that somebody might care more about.
Right. I care a lot about the keyboard.
For me, the identity of the keyboard the identity of the laptop is the keyboard.
Yeah, absolutely.
In a way. So
right.
It's something I pay close attention to.
It's how you interact with the thing.
It's what you touch.
Right?
Yeah, absolutely. So
it's everything.
So I guess this is a welcome thing, I think.
If it's good.
Now, how do you feel about it being a $150 upgrade at checkout, though?
I mean, for the people that are investing in this kind of stuff, I feel like that's the price it was always going to be. It wasn't going to be like a $20 upgrade, right? It would have to be substantial.
Yeah, and I guess the laptop price, what it's going to be on the M15 and M17 R4 laptops, I'm guessing we're talking about a couple grand anyway, right?
Yeah.
So
those start at like 15 and up. Yeah.
So the like ratio there, the upgrade cost relative to what you're already prepared to pay.
Yeah. I'm hopeful for this one.
I guess it's not just the people that appreciate a nice keyboard for the purpose of productivity, but also from a gaming perspective, there is a perceived advantage.
I would say that gaming on a regular laptop keyboard, you can get misclicks pretty easily because you just can't feel it.
Okay, outside of this one, does one come to mind to you as far as the best keyboard you've used on a gaming laptop?
When you say this one, as in the one...
Like, never mind the Cherry MX Alienware because it doesn't exist yet.
For gaming? Or for in general?
Both. Like, what comes to mind when I say to you, nice laptop keyboard? I'm genuinely curious here. Nice laptop keyboard.
I'd say for most people, MacBook keyboards right now, like the scissor switch.
Non-butterfly.
Not the butterfly. Those are good. I mean, everyone likes them, right?
Okay.
From a productivity point of view.
Sure.
But if you're playing games and your finger, you don't want to press the wrong button.
Sure.
Because you'll kill your team if you press the wrong button.
Right.
Right? There's no good ones. There's no truly good gaming laptop keyboards.
Are you finding time to game these days, or?
Of course.
Oh, okay. All right. I don't know, man. We were talking about watching content. You're like, nah, I can't.
Yeah,
can't
but you gotta put in time for games.
Okay.
No, I don't use an external keyboard usually.
So you use the poor laptop keyboard.
I'll use them
just because it's convenient. Yeah. Wow. Interesting.
But I've misclicked plenty of times.
Right, but it's not enough for you to get the separate keyboard out.
That's right.
What are you playing right now?
The weirdest thing, I'm playing Minecraft. I never played it when it came out, when it was popular. And my kid got into it recently, and I was like, what is this junk?
Come on. So it's a bonding.
But it's weirdly good.
Yeah, of course it's
good.
And
it's like super popular still, and I get it now. I finally understand the appeal of Minecraft.
Yeah. It's vast. I mean, it's whatever you want.
Have you played it?
Of course.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not playing. I wouldn't, if you asked me, what are you playing right now? I wouldn't say I was playing it, but I have played Minecraft.
You've tried. Yeah, okay.
I've played Minecraft. I don't know that I'm playing anything right now.
Yeah.
I played. What's the last game I played? Whoa, Will went deep right there. I played a game of life. I played NHL recently.
They still make those?
They still make it. Oh, well, on the VR, I was playing Beat Saber. I was playing a fight game. I was playing Super Hot.
Super Hot VR is fun.
Yeah, Super Hot VR.
That's a good one.
Slow-mo. But I'm just trying to think of the last game that like I invested time into. The way you just said, the feeling you just gave me about Minecraft, like you invested time. It's been too long. I don't know what I can name on that.
I don't think that's your jam, man.
Well, I'm not. Not at the moment. Not at the moment.